Hello guys, today I'm going to upload the software engineering previous year question papers. I'm going to share the previous year question papers link in the description box. So kindly you can download it from there. So see, can you see all the previous year's question papers which I have uploaded? See, from the models, definitely you will get one question mark. That is, it can be waterfall model or spiral model or concurrent process model or evolutionary process models or incremental process models. From one model, definitely you will get one question. And as legacy software is in the last, definitely sometimes he may ask the legacy software questions also. And unified process model, this is also this one of the last topic in that particular unit. So you may get these questions which are in the last. Don't think that only you will get only the first topics in the first units. And CMMI, it is one of the important question. And I think for now present R18 regulation, we don't have all these DFDs and we don't have all these things. And see, be clear about you will get definitely from the architecture, you will get the architectural styles and the architectural patterns. Those are very, very important questions where there are chances for coming those questions. And and from the testing also, definitely you may get what is meant by black box testing, white box testing, and system testing, what is meant by debugging, what is the art of debugging. These are the few chances of getting such type of questions. And from the unit 2, more important questions like we are having the functional requirements and we are having the non-functional requirements also. And all these two questions you can read. And what is the user requirements, what is the system requirements, what are the things in the requirements elicitation and the analysis, how to develop the things like structured methods in the software development process and all. And see, all these things are very, very important. And what is the black box and what is the white box testing, and what is meant by integration testing approaches. And in the risk, definitely from the risk chapter, you will get one question, that is from the risk, you will get one question, that is the risk proactive and the reactive risk strategies, risk management, RMM plan. All these questions we are having the chances of getting. And don't leave this question. What is this one? That is the formal technical reviews. These are very, very important one. Just write down what is the formal technical, how many members will be there, how the agenda will be planned, what are the activities that will be conducted before the meeting and after the meeting, and what is the conclusion of the meeting, how the reviewing process will be done. Briefly explain all these concepts, so will you the so that you will get very good marks. And this is the ISO 9000 quality standards. What are the generic quality standards, they will ask you. Try to write down about these ISO 9000 quality standards and about the risks also. These are the blind questions, are straight away questions where they will ask sometimes. See, what is the process of debugging, what is the art of debugging, and what is the need of beta testing, and what are the metrics for the software quality. Metrics for the software quality is also important. And what is the need for the test strategies for the conventional software. Risk projection steps are very, very important. And what is the format of the risk information sheet is also important. So try to prepare all these questions. And these are the few small short answer questions, like 2 marks and 3 marks questions they have given. So generally try to, all the questions will be repeated in these previous question papers. So if you prepare maximum these part A questions which are repeated, so you can attempt almost all the questions in the part A. And try to focus more on the part B. Why? Because you are having more marks in the part B. If you are going to read perfectly the part B means, so definitely you can answer the part A also. So that's how your preparation plan should be. Architectural styles and patterns. This is one of the important questions. But for the R18 regulation people, they don't have this interface analysis and the interface design steps. This question is there in the user interface design. So try to find out these questions answers also and try to attempt these questions also. And golden rules for the user interface design. This is also there in the user interface design only. And these are the advantages of the layer technology, CMMI levels. All these are the straight away questions where they will ask. And how the requirements management can be planned. What is meant by cardinality? What is the requirements engineering process? Architectural styles and patterns. See how many times these architectural styles and patterns it is repeated. What are the strategic approaches to the software testing? What is the art of debugging? What is meant by system testing? What are the metrics for the maintenance? See, from the risk, you will get definitely one question: how the risk can be identified, and what are the risk reviews we are having, and formal technical reviews, and type of software risks also. See, just the differences between the waterfall model and the spiral model. If you know very well about these two models, you can explain in a clear manner and unified process explanation completely. And what is the software process improvement methods, and what are the capability maturity models and all, and what are the tasks in the software requirements engineering, and how a data flow model is created, and illustrate with an example. You try to explain what is meant by data flow first of all. For a particular scenario, how you can create the data flow model, that you explain it. And the software requirements document structure they will ask, and what is meant by requirements elicitation and the analysis. See, software architecture, architectural styles and patterns, how many times it is repeated. It is easy and as well as important also, both. And design process and the design quality guidelines. Cohesion and coupling they will ask. Cohesion and coupling, these are there in the design concepts topic. And strategic approaches to the software testing. What is the black box testing? In the black box specifically, they asked what is meant by equivalence partitioning and the boundary value analysis. And what is this software quality, and explain the various steps in the software quality assurance, and what are the things for the risks, and how to reduce that risks, and how to monitor the that risks here. And myths is also one of the important question in the unit, first unit, and unified process models. You can check it, what are the few repeated questions we are having from these, so that you can attempt almost all the questions from the part A and the part B. Please check it out. I will share you the link in the description box also, so you can download it from there. And I'm going to keep whatever the notes I'm having, I will share you in that description box. You can download it from there, and you can prepare well for your exams. Thank you. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.